Hey R2 Builders, here is the audio setup that I promised you over the weekend. It's a little late, but I was really rushing to get some other things done for a celebration. But anyways, here we go. We've got my 15-channel receiver. It's an RF receiver and transmitter that I got off of Amazon. From this transmitter, it'll then shoot off these relays. The receiver is hooked up into the SparkFun MP3 trigger. All the MP3s are on this little disc here, and the naming convention you can find on the documents for that. It's specific. I think it's 001, and then you can name whatever you want, and go all the way up to 15, because that's all we have on our receiver. From the MP3 trigger, it's being powered by this cord here, which goes straight to the 12-volt battery with a fuse. The audio goes out of this jack, and it's going right into this ground loop here, which will reduce noise and any interference. And from that ground loop goes right into this amplifier. This amplifier is a 2x25 board that I got off of Amazon as well. Works really well. It's enough power for the speakers. And when you're at conventions, it gets pretty loud, so this one handles pretty well. From the amplifier, you just have the power in is 12 volt as well. Line out to the speakers. I've got a couple of pile speakers there, which everything basically I got from Amazon, so you can find everything. As far as power goes, I've got 12 volt batteries in my R2 right now. I just have it on my bench supply, but I put this bridge here. Main power goes into here, then splits into everything. So everything's 12 volt into the receiver, 12 volt into the MP3 trigger, and 12 volt right into the amplifier. So I'm going to switch my power on, my bench supply on real quick. So everything's running at 12 volts. You see all the LEDs turn on right over here on the systems, and just have to press away and we're all set. So I have 15 different sounds, all being triggered by this. I've got all of his regular sounds. I've got, let me see where. Of course, got the music going, and this I'll just tape onto my transmitter for movement, and just press it whenever I want, and it's all done. So that's pretty much the tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask, and I'll try to comment on it on the boards. And that's it. Have fun building.